This is the great secret of life.
Chapter 11. Visualization. Your ability to visualize your dreams will serve as a catalyst in their creation. Visualization exercises and techniques are incredibly powerful. Some psychologists are now claiming that 1 hour visualization is worth 7 hours of physical effort. Remember, your subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between real experience and vividly imaged experiences. It can differentiate between your remembering, pretending, or actually experiencing the event. It responds to all of them equally. Though various visualization techniques can help you fully experience any situation as though it were real, you can create emotional and physiological responses to the situation you're visualizing. Your subconscious mind will internalize this information and store it as truth, and the universe will respond to this vibrational energy with a manifestation that it matches. Visualization is daydreaming with a purpose. Bo Bennett. The Skyscraper Visualization. Part 1. Take a deep breath and let yourself relax. Imagine that you're standing in the middle of a small terrace on the top of the tallest skyscraper in the entire world. Also, imagine that this terrace has no railing. There's nothing at all between you and the vertical drop. As you're standing there, look down at your feet and notice that there's a terrace and what it's made of, and how you're standing on the tile, concrete, asphalt, wood, or stone. Notice the weather is nice. The sun is shining, and there's a soft, cool breeze that you can feel in the warmth of the sun on your face and your arms. What noises do you hear? Maybe there's some pigeons or some birds up there. Maybe you can hear a helicopter flying by or street noises far below. Now walk out to the very edge of the terrace and put your toes right against the edge. Look down the street, far, far below. See how incredibly small everything appears to be from way up here. Now as you're doing this, notice how you're feeling. Now slowly walk back to the center of the terrace, still remembering just how you felt when you were standing at the edge and looking down. Most people will notice some type of emotional and physical reaction. You may have felt fear, or heart racing, or palms, or sweatiness, dizziness, or nausea. You may have experienced a feeling of tension or fear. Part 2. Take a deep breath and let yourself relax. Imagine more that you're standing on top of the same terrace, on top of the same skyscraper as before, only this time you have a beautiful white feathered wings, and you are totally confident in the ability to fly. You realize that this is totally safe, so you let yourself walk to the edge of the terrace, and right when you get there, you gently bend your knees, push off, and fly. And notice what it feels like to fly. Feel the wind rushing beneath your wings as you soar and glide effortlessly through the sky. Feel the exhilaration and the freedom. After a while, let yourself fly to any place on the planet that you really would like to go right now. It might be a favorite vacation spot, or a place you'd like to want to see, or just want to be alone. A special place that you care about. And when you get there, just let yourself gently land and spend a few moments enjoying yourself, doing whatever you would like to do there, and notice how you feel right now, physically and emotionally. Compare the different emotional and physical reactions felt in Part 1, Part 2 of the visualizations. Notice the lightness, joy, the sense of expansion you feel in Part 2 of this example. Now think about this for a moment. You haven't gone anywhere. You haven't left the room. You've only taken a few minutes to visually imagine these two experiences, and yet probably felt very distinct and different emotional and physiological changes occurring. The vivid images you created in your own mind were completely real to your subconscious mind, and it responded to your imagined experiences on an emotional and physiological level as though it was actually occurring. You are responsible for the images that you create in your own mind. So if you spend the time and energy imagining the worst case scenarios in your life, you are physically and emotionally responding to those images and attracting the very same type of negative energy and circumstances into your life. You must choose to visualize positive, inspirational, uplifting images in order to create a vibrational match for what it is you want to attract in your life. This is the power of visualization. Formulate and stamp indelibly on your mind a mental picture of yourself as succeeding. Hold this picture tenaciously, never permit it to fade. Your mind will seek to develop the picture. Dr. Norman Vincent Peale. Your vision book. Your vision book is probably your most valuable tool. Your vision book, it's your map of the future, tangible representation of where you're going, represents your dreams, goals, and your ideal life. Because your mind responds strongly to visual stimulation by representing your desires with pictures, images that you actually strengthen and enhance the vibrational levels. Visualize images, pictures that will stimulate your emotions, and your emotions are vibrational energies that activate laws of attraction. You have already defined your dreams. Now it's time to illustrate them visually. This world is but a canvas to our imaginations. Henry David Thoreau. Create a personal vision book that clearly depicts the future you wish to create. Find pictures and represent, symbolize experiences, feelings, possessions that you want to attract into your life. Place them in your book. Have fun with the process. Use photographs, magazine cutouts, pictures, internet, whatever inspires you. Be creative. Include not only pictures, but anything that speaks to you. Consider including pictures of yourself in your book. If you do choose one that was taken in a happy moment, you'll also want to post affirmations, inspirational words, quotations, thoughts here. Choose words and images that inspire you, make you feel good. This is a book unlike any other book. You are the author. You are the artist. This is your map. Now remember, these are your dreams, so choose them well. Use only the words and images that best represent your purpose, your golden future, that inspire positive emotion in you. How to use your vision book. Try keeping your vision book on the nightstand next to your bed. Leave it standing open or in a position often where it's comfortable with. Spend time each morning, evening visualizing, affirming, believing, and internalizing the goals. The time you spend visualizing in the events just before bed is especially powerful. The thoughts and images present in your mind during the last 45 minutes before you go to sleep are the ones that will replay themselves repeatedly in your subconscious mind throughout the night. And the thoughts and images that you begin each day will help you create a vibrational match for the future you desire. As some time goes by, in your dreams, you'll begin to manifest and look at these images that represent your achievements for gratitude and how long and well your law of attraction is working in your life. Acknowledge that it is working. Now remember to write down the date you created your vision book. The universe loves speed, and you'll be amazed at how quickly the law of attraction responds to your energy, commitment, and desires. Much like time capsules, this book will document your personal journey, your dreams, and your achievements for that particular year. It'll become a record of your growth, awareness, and expansion that you'll want to keep and reflect back upon the years. The biggest adventure that you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Oprah Winfrey. It's a good idea to create a new vision book each year. As you continue to grow, evolve, expand, your dreams and aspirations also continue to grow, evolve, and expand, and this will help you continue to stay focused, motivate, and inspired. You might want to make this new tradition within your family. And if you have children or younger siblings, help them to create their own book and encourage their dreams too. You will be amazed on how truly insightful, empowering, and inspirational and fun this process can be. These beautiful words and pictures represent your future. They create a vibrational match for what you want to attract and create in your life. Look at your vision book often and feel the inspiration it provides. Hold it in your hands and really internalize the future it represents. Read your affirmations and inspirational words aloud. See yourself living in the manner. Feel yourself in the future that you've designed. Believe that it's already yours. Be grateful for the good that's already present in your life. Acknowledge any goals that you've already achieved. Acknowledge the changes that you've seen and felt. Acknowledge the presence of God in your life. Acknowledge the law of attraction at work in your life. And look at, just before going to bed, look at it. And the first thing you look at upon rising. Envision your future. Imagine the possibilities and know that they are real. A dream is your creative vision of your life in the future. You must break out of your current comfort zone and become comfortable with the unfamiliar and the unknown. Dennis Waitley.
This is the great secret of life.